Hi there, and welcome to MarkSharks Study Sessions, our new video playlist that covers subject topics in mathematics and sciences, which will help you better understand and apply these concepts in your studies and your exams. In this video, we are going to cover the topics of motion. So let's break it down. What is motion? In physics, motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its position with respect to time. Motion basically means movement or way of moving, and there are certain types of motion that you are already very familiar with, whether you realize it or not. Let's take a look at these types of motion. Number 1. Random motion. Random motion is motion that has no specific path. It is a type of motion in which the direction and speed of an object change continuously. A perfect example of this motion is the path that a butterfly takes when it flies. Their path is unpredictable, and they flutter in no specific direction. Now that is random motion. Number 2. Translational motion. It is motion in which all points of a moving body move uniformly in the same direction. If an object is undergoing translatory motion, we can note that there is no change in the object's orientation. There are certain subtypes of translational motion. Rectilinear motion is motion that goes along a straight line, such as a car driving down a long stretch of a straight road. Curvilinear motion is motion that goes along a curved path, such as a car that's driving down a curved road. And circular motion. This motion, as it says, is motion that travels along a circular path, such as a planet's revolution around the sun. Number 3. Rotational motion. Rotational motion is a bit different from circular motion. It is circular motion that revolves around a fixed point. So a perfect example would be a fan rotating around its fixed point. And number 4. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is defined as the to and fro motion of the body about its fixed position. It is a type of periodic motion. Examples of oscillatory motion are vibrating strings or swinging on a swing set. And that is a brief overview of the types of motion and its real-life applications. Do give this video a like if you found it helpful and interesting, so that others have a better chance of seeing it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to stay tuned for more MarkSharks content and study session videos. If you would like to try MarkSharks for free and see how we can help you better yourself in your studies, click the link below. Thank you for watching MarkSharks study sessions, and see you soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.